Good morning, this is Mark with Road Notes, and today we want to install snap pads to our RV. Snap pads are made out of a recycled material. When you go to their website, which I'm going to link below, I purchased this one from Amazon. They are specific to your motorhome or to your RV. So make sure that you check that before you order it. They are specific to your leveling system or auto leveling system that you have installed in your RV. Like I said, they're made out of recycled material. For our 37LX Challenger, it is a 9-inch pad which is going to get installed underneath your hydraulic leveling jacks to increase stability and also give you a little bit more of a circumference in terms of where you are deploying your jacks. So let's get on with the installation. Leslie is going to help me with the installation because it does kind of require two people. One that operates the leveling jacks and the other that secures them underneath the rig and lines them up with the jacks.
Good morning. Welcome to the show.
Okay, before we get started, they do recommend for proper installation to use some sort of a lubricant. We're using some dish cleaner, dish soap that you put around the outside of your jacks, which will help the leveling jacks snap into these snap pads. But you're going to see it when we start installing it. All right.
There you go. All right, bring it up. All right, go again. Push down. It's in. All right, bring it down.
Okay, I'm coming down with it.
Yep. Go ahead. A little more. It's in.
Here we go.
Yep. Wait, hold on a second. I forgot the camera. On my belly. Hang on. Keep going. Flip back up a little. Okay, do it again.
Keep going.
Yep.
It's in?
Yep.
All right, I'm coming up. Let me know when they're all up. Okay, that was it. Pretty simple installation of the snap pads. It's great to have help. And Leslie did an awesome job getting those guys under the rig, lining them up, getting them lubricated and all those things. And that, by the way, is Leslie doing all the crazy things. And anyways, that was it. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below for us. If you like this video, give us a quick thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel, Road Notes. We have a new video coming out for you every week. And Onyx now will be happy having snap pads on. Follow us on our village, all the usual social media platforms. You can visit us online at RoadNotesRV.com. See you guys next time.